Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the error. The action cannot be completed because the file is open in COM Surrogate. So I am getting this error when I try to delete this image file. So to solve this issue, just right click over here, go to Task Manager, and here we are having this processes. Okay, so if you scroll down, here we are having COM Surrogate. Just right click on it and select end task. Okay, do for both these. Yep, that is done. Now go to details, and here we are having this dll host.exe, right? This also you need to end task. Okay, so if you're having more than one DLL host, you must also like delete everything over there. So after doing this, again make sure that you are not having any COM that surrogate in process. Once you are good, we can close this and also close and open your file explorer. And now if I try to delete the image file, as you can see, it got deleted. And if this method doesn't work, try renaming that particular file or folder, and after that again try deleting it. And if that also doesn't work, try restarting your system and directly delete that particular file or folder without opening. So that will definitely work. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.